good. Just take it easy. Now swing your rod up towards me, Tracy. Nice. Lift his head up. Control his head.
Nice! Yay!
Well, that was... Here, Stacy, I'll let you camera and I'm going to move some rods. Just take your time. That's a big dog, Jason.
Woo!
That's a big dog.
That is a hog!
Hooked up on a big steelhead.
He's a bulldog. Hello.
Yep, big male. Alright, we are hooked up on the big Manistee, big steelhead. Got you going live, Jason. Gonna have to pump it a little bit. Might give him a little more drag. So you have to pull back, reel down on him. Turn your rod the other way. So you're still gonna try to get it. So hold your rod to your left. There you go. Now just kind of work, kind of pump them off the side. That way you're kind of pulling against them. There you go. Nice job, Jason. Keep it rolling.
Got other plans.
Yep, take your time with him. You're doing great. Woo! Nice. I got that on live video. Big steelhead on the mosquito. Stacey, I'm going to step up by you guys. You can stay right where you're at. Just keep your rod low. Take your time. Coming? Right. Reel down on him. Get him. Okay. Got a nice one. Reel down on him one more time. Oh my God. There we go. That's a steelhead, boys and girls. That thing's got to be 15, 16 pounds.
Oh, he's a big one.
Woo! Whoa!
That's a toad, Jason. Nice job, Stacy.
Matt, you're cracking me up.
What? I get excited about this stuff.
No, it's great.
You're live on the Muskegon Club Fishing. Stacy's got a nice one on.
That's fun. Bait for the day. Graph here. We'll be good to go.
you got there, honey? Gonna grab it up higher. There you go. Just let him go, let him go.
There you go. Should be just about done there for you. Reel down on it one more time. Just lift it up. Reel down on it one more time. Reel way down. Come back up. Reel down on it. Lift it up one more time.
That's a nice fish.
Yep, that is. It's a very nice one.
Whoa.